Hey, what's up everybody? It's Joe here with J Blake Photo. It's actually gonna be a 2-video day for me. We have a new tiny drone. Okay, so it's not really new, but before we get into that, just real quick plug for the channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, turn the bell on to get notifications when I make a new video. If you like stuff like this, where we talk about rumors, leaks, new gear, photography, cinematography, travel, drones, sports stuff, computery tech gear stuff, right? That's what I'm into, that's what I like to talk about, and that's what this channel is about. I just got back from California. There's a video on the channel about that. I've been talking a lot about Canon cameras and drones. I'm gonna have some stuff coming up soon about new Apple tech. Just do me a favor, hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified when I put out a new video. And if you're into stills photography, go ahead and find me over on Instagram. I'm at JBlakePhoto, a lot of landscape photography there. Just did some shots, like I said, in California. That'll be going up on the Instagram very soon. I haven't been posting a lot to Instagram because honestly, I haven't had the time. It's been busy for me. And I've got a ton of photos that I need to get up there. So you're probably just gonna see a big flurry of new photos coming out on my Instagram really soon. But enough about that, enough about the channel. Let's get to the stuff that we came to talk about, which is this new tiny drone from DJI. So Walmart was nice enough to accidentally post, leak out some of the details, or accidentally put out some of the merch, some of the pop, if you will, promotional materials for this new drone. Dubbed the Mavic Mini SE or the Mini SE. I guess they don't use the Mavic name anymore, it's just the Mini. The Mini SE, honestly, there's two things interesting about this, this new drone. Number one, it's not new. And number two, it's cheap. So number one, not new. It definitely has the specs from the 2019 Mini 1, right? The first Mini. We have the Mini 2, right, with 4K and all that kind of stuff. But the Mini had the exact same specs as this. Now remember, the Mini was the first one to come out with that sub 250 gram weight, which means that you don't need to go and get FAA approval. You can just throw it in your bag and go. But unlike the previous tiny drone that DJI made, the Spark, which if you've been watching the channel for a long time, I did a video about the Spark a long time ago. I got into a lot of trouble about it, but I flew the Spark. That was like the first drone that I used, and it gave me nothing but trouble. So then I bought my Mavic, and now I have the Mavic 2 Pro. And I love the Mavic 2 Pro. Again, just took it to California this weekend, or last week. It was phenomenal. I love that drone. But specs-wise, it's exactly as the first Mini was, right? It's got that 1/2 sensor, or 1/2.3, right? That fraction is weird. 12 megapixel sensor, max video resolution of 2.7K, so it doesn't even do 4K, 2.7K at 30 frames a second. But it'll do full HD up to 60p. And it's got some of the, you know, the really great kind of quick shot modes, you know, the spin up one and the zoom out one, and you know, all those ones that you love. It's got 30-minute flight time, right? All the same things from the Mini. It also has one of the things that people didn't love about the Mini, which was also the reason that I didn't like the Spark versus the Mavic, and why people love the Mini 2, which is that the Mini 2 has OcuSync, which even if you're not looking for distance, is just night and day better in terms of being able to control the drone. It's just so much nicer to have OcuSync on board. This one does not have OcuSync. It says it's got a 2.5 mile range, which means that it is using, you know, the Wi-Fi band, right? It's using 2.4 gigahertz. Though it does look like it's going to be coming with an improved remote, similar to the Mini 2, right? That bigger remote, which I think that's cool. I like the fact that it puts the phone on the top, or the tablet, or however you've got it. But I kind of like the smaller form factor of the fold-out, the older style remote. But the big thing on this is going to be lightweight, right? That's what it's about. It's about lighter weight. Basically a repackaged Mini, first gen, slightly updated aerodynamics, slightly updated chassis, but $299 price. So $300, so $100 less than the Mini 2. Do I think that the Mini 2 is a better value at $399? $449, I think, for the Fly More combo. Yes, I think with OcuSync, the 4K video, those two things alone worth $100, worth $150 for the Fly More combo. For sure, absolutely. Still under 250 grams. But if you're looking for absolute bare bottom price and bare bottom weight, honestly, I'm thinking about this thing. For when I go hiking and trips and I just need a little bit of extra B-roll footage, or if I just want to explore with the drone a little bit, just right around me, this might be something fun. I just wish that remote was a little bit smaller. Anyway, let me know down in the comments if this even like pegs the needle for you at all. Is this interesting to you if you are already a drone flyer? You know, is that $100 going to make the difference? Would that get you into this drone, whereas the other ones, you know, you were just kind of holding off? Let me know down in the comments. Again, 30-minute flight time, 2.7K. Now, what we don't know yet is when, but honestly, this thing looks ready for rollout. I would assume any day now, maybe within the next week. We'll get this probably for maybe Father's Day. I don't know, it's a little late for that, but maybe, I don't know. Let me know down in the comments if this is something that you would be interested in. You know, we're still up waiting on Mavic 3. Check out my video over in the California coast. That was a fun little video taking some sunset photos. And find me on Instagram at jblakephoto. Follow me there, subscribe to the channel, hit like on this video. That really, really helps me and I really appreciate it. So I hope you're all doing great. Wear a mask, get vaccinated, and I'll see you in the next one.